Hey guys, Jason and Emma in Lake Country Anytime Fitness. We are here to show you guys just the basics of a squat. Okay, so the basics of the squat, guys. The squat is started out with feet shoulder width. Okay, just outside of shoulder width, the baby toes need to be just on the outside of the shoulder width. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to allow movement for the average person in the hips. What we're going to do is we're just going to allow just a little bit of a toe. Okay, just point the toes. Okay, and then the hands are going to cross the chest. And what we're going to do is we're just going to allow a little bit of a pelvic tilt. And that's going to allow her to start the movement in the downward force. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, pelvic tilt, and sit. Nice. So in a seated position, we've got a nice flat back. We're building the degree angle that we need to be in the hips. And as you can tell, her knees are just on the outside of the big toe. Okay? That's very, very important that we're not leaning too far forward or we're not leaning too far back. Okay? So that's the allowance that needs to happen. And then as we're going to drive up, we're going to drive through the heels. So go ahead, drive through the heels and up. With a little bit of a twinge on the glutes, and then we're going to do the same motion up and down for 8 to 10, guys. We are showing the do's and the don'ts of our squatting. So the do's, we want to be down, nice deep, make sure that we have our angles, and the don'ts. This is going to be a don't of the knees. The don'ts of the knees, we've got major infraction of the knees. Knee is way over top of the toes. That's an absolute no. The shear force on the patella of the knee is just a no-go. So we're gonna do a proper, have a seat, yep. And as you can tell, the knees are just at the big toes, okay? Of course, weight is gonna help us get us back a little bit deeper. Because the arms are across, that's more of a front squat, okay? So a front squat is going to be working more of the front quads. Next don't. So the next don't, this is a common one we see a lot in the gym. Guys, this is an absolute not. There's way too much angle happening here. And lower back, okay, is fully exposed. So what we want to do is we want to sit her in that direction there. That's perfect. So nice flat back. Tailbone is not tweaking or winking. It's called a winking tailbone. And that is an absolute no-go also. So we'll show you a winking tailbone. So go ahead, sit all the way to the floor. There. Yeah. That right there is a winking tailbone. So we need to bring her up just a little bit to there. Now if we sit her again, see how the tailbone drops? That's a no-go, okay? Next one. There is no one.